coordinates and graphs. So first we just need vocabulary. So here we have a coordinate system, and it's cut into 4 pieces. This piece is called quadrant 1. This is called quadrant 2. And this is just Roman numerals 2. This is quadrant 3. And this is quadrant 4. Now this is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. And I always remember the x-axis and the y-axis because y looks like this, which is long and up and down. So the y-axis is the one that's up and down. Okay, the middle point here is called the origin. So often you'll hear different words for these. Sometimes teachers will call them points. Sometimes they're coordinates, ordered pairs. You'll hear 3 different sort of words for these. Okay, and what it is say we want to find this point. We always start with the x value. Oops, I wrote that funny. X, Y. So x comes first, y is second. And if you forget, you just have to remember the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So X comes before Y. Okay, and X is the one that looks like this, and Y is the one that's up and down. So we always do X first, and we have to jump like an arnab, like a rabbit. 1, 2. Then how many do I go up? 1, 2, 3 jumps. Okay. Now if I do this one, I always do X first. So I start at the origin and I jump 1, 2, 3. But because I'm going this direction, I have to go -3. If it's this direction, it's positive. Up is positive, down is negative. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. That's my X value. Now I have to go up 1 for my Y value. And because I'm going up, it's positive. Let's do this blue one here. So I'm going to do my X value first, and that's 1. Oh, it's not 2 jumps. It's 1.5 jumps. And because I'm going this direction, it has to be a negative. And then I'm going to go down 1, 2.5 jumps. And because I'm going down, it's a negative. Okay? And we always start at the origin. So let's look at this. So it says give the coordinates for each point. So let's look at A. I always have to do my X first. So here's X. I start at the origin, and I have to count the number of jumps, like an arnab, like a rabbit. So 1, 2, 3. And because I'm going this way, it's a plus. So it's 3 this way, and then I have to go 1, 2 up. And because I'm going up, it's a plus. Down is negative, left is negative. So let's look at B. So I have to go, always do my X value first, and then Y. So I'm going to go, has to be like, so I have to jump 1, 2, and I'm going this way, so it's a plus. So I jump 1, 2. Now I have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. Because I'm going down, I have to do negative, so it's going to be -4. Let's look at C. C, I start at the origin, and I'm going to have to go this way, then down. But because I'm going this way, it's going to be negative. So I have to go 1, 2, 3 jumps. So that's -3. Then I have to go down 1, 2 jumps. Because I'm going down, it's negative. So -2 jumps, down 2 jumps. Now let's look at D. Where's D? D is here. Let me erase some of this. So D is a little bit harder because it's on the x-axis. Okay? When they're on the x and the y-axis, sometimes because they're easier, they're actually harder. So I start at the origin, and I have to do my x value first. I'm going to go this way, -2 jumps. So I'm going 1, 2. So it says on my x-axis, I went 2 jumps to the left. Now, do I go up or down? No, it says stay in the same spot. Don't go up, don't go down, stay. So stay means 0. Okay. So now let's look at the next page. So it says give the coordinates of each point on the graph. So let's find A. Here's A. So let's put the plus. So if I'm going this direction, plus, plus, minus, minus. So A is here. So I have to go 1, 2, 3 in this direction. So it's -3. And then I have to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 5. Because I'm going up, it's positive. Let's find B. B. So I have to go this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going positive direction 4. And then I go up 1. So that's +1. You don't have to put the plus. Up is plus, but you can just leave it as 1. C. Here's C. So I have to go to the negative direction and then down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going this way, 4, but it's -4 because I'm going towards the negative side. Now I have to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I'm going down, that's negative. So I'm going negative, negative. D. So to get this one, I always do my X first. So I go 1, 2, don't do the D, do the green dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going this way, which is positive. So it's +4. But then I have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to go down 4. E. Okay, there's E. I'm going to erase some of this so we can do the next one. So E, I have to go this way first. 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. So that's +4. But then I have to go down 1, 2. And down means negative. So down -2. F. Where's F? Here's F. So F means I have to go this way, this way. So I'm going this way first is negative. And then down 1 jump, and down is negative. So -1, -1. G. Where's G? Oh, here's G. Okay, so I'm going to go towards the positive side first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going this way, 4. Now I'm going to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I went up 5, so that's +5. H. Let's erase some of this. So H is, I'm going to go this way. Always do my X first. 1, 2. And I'm going in the positive direction, so it's 2. Now I'm on the x-axis, so I'm not going to go up and I'm not going to go down. It says, please stay in the same spot. Okay, if I stay in the same spot, it means don't move. So it's going to be a 0. Now we're going to do I. Oh, I is here. So let's do the X first. I start at the origin. I jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6. And it says don't go up, don't go down. It says stay in the same spot. So that's going to be 0. J. Here's J, the green dot. So always do my x-axis first. Well, I don't move left and I don't move right because it's just here. So I can't move anywhere. So the first one has to be 0 because I don't go left or I don't go right. Now I just go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up 5 means +5. So these 3 here, 2, 0, 6, 0, 0, 5, these are hard ones. So when they're on the X and the Y axis, they sometimes can get a little confusing. Okay? So make sure, because you might have missed class, make sure you print out this book and do these questions that I've just done with you. Okay, and then you won't get behind, because our first class, that's what we done in the first class. We talked a bit about some rules and stuff, but then those are all the questions we did in class. Okay, make sure you bring this to next class.